Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Amazon. Make sure it's the account you plan to use for purchases. Once logged in, go to your account and tap gift cards or redeem a gift card. Then, carefully reveal the 16-digit code on your physical card or copy the emailed code. This is what ties value to your account. Enter the code into the redeem field and press apply. This links the balance instantly, so you can proceed to shop with available funds. Once your gift card is in your account, add items to your cart and go to checkout. On the payment page, select your gift card balance as the payment source. Amazon will show the remaining balance if it's not enough. If needed, click Add a debit or credit card to cover the difference, or choose another saved payment method. Make sure shipping address and Prime options are correct, because Amazon applies the gift card first and then charges the remaining amount to your secondary payment. To finish, review the order summary so you see how much of your gift card covered the purchase, along with any remaining charges, taxes, or shipping fees. Confirm and place the order. Then check your email for the confirmation and the updated gift card balance in your account. If redemption fails, double-check the 16 digits, ensure the card matches your Amazon region and hasn't expired, and if problems persist, contact Amazon customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.